Hello students, today we are going to discuss the fifth chapter quadratic equation. This is an important chapter. So we can expect 4 to we can easily expect 4 to 6 marks from this chapter. So first, what is a quadratic equation? And quadratic equation in the variable x is an equation of the form like this, in the form of x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a and b and c are the real numbers and a not equal to 0. For example, 2x square plus x minus 300 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. So here y is equal to x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, called as a quadratic function. So it is called as a quadratic function where y is equal to. So start with the example 1. So represent the following situations in mathematically. So Sridhar and Rajendra together have 45 marbles. 45 marbles with them, and both of them lost 5 marbles, means 5 both of them lost 5 marbles each. So the product of the number of the marbles have 124. So after 124 they have 124 after losing. We would like to find out how many marbles each of them have previously. So let the number of marbles with the Sridhar x, and then the number of marbles Rajendra had 45 minus x, because the x has the Sridhar and 45 minus x करे तो so it will get Rajendra only. So the number of marbles left with the Sridhar when after loss of 5 marbles, x minus 5. So same like Rajendra also here. So 45 minus x minus 5, it will become 40 minus x. 40 minus x. So the product of these numbers, x minus 5 into 40 minus x, it will come like x square plus 45x minus 200. This is example only. So it will come like this equation and is equal to 24. The given product is minus 124. So here 124, it will come inside, and minus 24 it will become minus 324. So this will become 3 only x square minus 45x plus 324 is equal to 0. It is in the quadratic equation form. So second example here. So the hypotenuse of right angle triangle is 25 centimeters. So we know that the difference in the lengths of their other two sides is 5 centimeters. One side, let assume x, and other side will be x plus 5. Okay. So the what is he saying? The right angle triangle hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. So side square means x square plus x plus 5 whole square is equal to 25 square, the hypotenuse square. So it will come in the form of like this. So x square, this is in the a plus b whole square form. So a square plus 2ab plus b square it will come. So like that will come. So 625, 25 square, 25 into 25, 625. So it will come like this here, and they will get 300. After 2 common from here, 2 common from this, 2 5 are 10, 2 300. Yeah. So it is in the form of quadratic equation. So example 2, check whether the following are quadratic equations. So here x square, x minus 2 whole square here, plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3. So here x square means x minus 2 whole square means x square minus 4x plus 4 means a minus b whole square formula. So it will come here, plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3. So x square 4x, it will become 5, it will come here, x square minus 4x minus 2x, so 5 plus 3, 8 is equal to 0. So x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0 is the answer. Okay. So it is a quadratic equation. This is the quadratic equation. So second example here. So x into x plus 1 plus 8 is equal to x plus 2 into x minus 2. Here a plus b into a minus b formula. This is called a square minus b square. We can write it as these two terms. Okay. So it will become x square minus 4. X into x square, and x into 1 x plus 8. It will come here, x square will get cancelled. So x plus 2 will remain. So it is not an quadratic equation, because every quadratic equation needs x square as a term. So there is a no term of x square. That's why it is not a quadratic equation. So same here also. So first we do left hand side, 2 into x square, 2x square plus 3x, and equal to this one. It will come here, and 2x square minus x square is equal to how much? only x square will remain and 3x will remain, and plus 1 here will go here and minus 1, so it will become minus 1. So it is in the form of quadratic equation. So this is the answer for this question. These are the 3 examples. Okay, we go to the exercise. So check whether the following are the quadratic equation or not. So here x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. So x plus 1 whole square is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3 minus 6. 2 3 is 6. 2 into x 2x. So here x square plus 2x, it will goes here minus 2x, 2x minus 2x plus 1 plus 6 is equal to 0. So x square plus 2x minus 2x will get cancelled and plus 7 will remain is equal to 0. So this is also quadratic equation because x square term is left here. Okay, so next one. So here the quadratic equation or not, we have to know. So x square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into 3 minus 6 minus into minus plus x. So it will goes here, it will goes here, and x square minus 3x plus 6 it will come. Okay, it is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. So third one solution. So see here, first term x into x means how much left side will come, x square, and right hand side x into x, x square will come. So both are plus signs, so it will come here, then it will come x square minus x square is equal to 0 na? So means there is no possibility of x terms, x square terms. There is no possibility of x square terms in the this equation. So that is not in the quadratic equation. So it is not a quadratic equation. Okay, so this we can try. So because here 2x is there, 2 into x, 2x square minus 3 into minus x into 1 x minus 3 into x minus 6x minus into 3 minus 3. So x into x is equal to x into x square plus 5x it will come. So 2x square will come here, 2x square minus x square plus minus 5x minus 3 is equal to minus 5x is equal to 0, plus 6 it will come here minus x. 2x square minus x square is equal to x square minus x minus 5x minus 10x minus 3 is equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. So fifth one. So 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 and is equal to x plus 5 into x minus 5, x minus 1. So 2x into x solution. 2x into x, 2x square, 2x into 3 minus 6x minus 1 into x minus into minus plus 1 3 ja 3 plus 3 is equal to x into x, x square plus x into minus x minus x 5 into x plus 5x 5 1 ja 5 minus 5. It will come left hand and both right hand sides, both sides. X square will take here and 2x square minus x square. So 5x 6x minus x 7x here 4x 5x minus x 4x it will come here, it will minus 7x, it will come here minus 7x minus 4x, so plus 8 is equal to 0. So x square minus 11x plus 8 is equal to 0. It will come like this. Is it a quadratic equation? So here x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to x minus 2 whole square na. So this one a minus b whole square formula. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it will become x square will come here this side and this side. So it will get cancelled na. So that's why it is not in a quadratic equation, because see here after the dividing this one x square will form. Okay, we take it as left hand to the equation. So x square minus x square will come, x square 0. So that's why that is it is not in the quadratic equation form. So every quadratic equation needs x square as a multiple of it. Okay, here seventh one solution. So first x plus 3 whole cube, it will not, so it is in the form of cubes, it is in the form of cubes, it will come x cube like this, so it will also come here 2x cube like this, so it will come in the cube formula na? So cube forms, so that is why it is not in a quadratic equation, because the quadratic equation will not in the cube form. Okay, so equation has cubes in the cube, so like this, x cube like this. So we check this one solution. So x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x cube minus 3 into 2 into 2 square, not x square, minus minus means 2 only, plus 3 into x into 2 square minus 2 cube. So how much will come here? X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x cube 6x square minus 6x square plus 12x minus 8. So x cube will get cancelled, it will comes here 6x square minus 4x square minus 12x plus 1 plus 8 is equal to 0. So it is 2x square minus 12x plus 9 is equal to 0. It is in the form of quadratic equation. So it is in the form of quadratic equation. So second bit of 5.1 quadratic equation. So represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equations. So the area of rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot is 1 meter more than the twice of its breadth. So let solution. So let breadth b is equal to x. Let breadth b is equal to x. Then length L is equal to how much will become? 2x plus 1, because the twice of its breadth and its plus one more than. Okay, so area of rectangle is how much? Area of rectangle is equal to L into b. So length into b means x into 2x plus 1. So how much given? 528 given. So x into 2x square plus x is equal to 528. 520 will take it like here, 2x square plus x minus 528, it will become 0. So this is a quadratic equation. So he asking us to represent the form of quadratic equations situations. Okay, so second one, the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. So product of two consecutive integers, first let solution, let first consecutive number is equal to consecutive number x, and another one is x plus 1. Okay, first one and second one. Okay, so their product x into x plus 1 is equal to how much it will come? 306. So x into x square plus x is equal to 306. X into 1 x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. So we have to represent in the form of quadratic equation. So here third question 5.1 second bit. So Rohan mother's is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages after 3 years will be 360 years. Here after 3 years will be 360 years. We need to find Rohan's present age. We have to find present age. So Rohan age, let solution is here. Rohan age be, let x. Okay, let x. Rohan mother's age what will become? Mother's age x plus 26 after 3 years. After 3 years, so Rohan's age x plus 3, mother's age x plus 29, x plus 29. So here their product x plus 3 into x plus 29 is equal to how much? 360 years. 663 years. So x into x, x square, plus x into 29, 29x, plus 3 into x, 3x, plus 381 ja 329 ja 87 is equal to 360. Okay, so with 360 take it here, x square plus 29x plus 87 minus 360 is equal to 0. So x square plus 29x will remain minus 273 is equal to 0 answer. So this is the um, quadratic equation. So we have to show in the quadratic equation only. So we need to find the Rohan's percentage, but x is the percentage of the Rohan. So fourth problem of second bit. So 5.1, a train travels a distance of 480 kilometers in the uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 kilometers per hour less, so distance by speed, it will come total journey. Okay, so how much will getting speed. Okay, so total distance, how much, let speed of the train is equal to x. Solution, let us speed of train is how much is here. So total distance traveled by speed. Okay, this is the come here, and 8 meters less, 8 kilometers less than the original speed. So means how much it will come, less 8 kilometers per hour. So means 480 divided by x minus 8. So 3 hours more to cover. So distance 3 hours to more to cover. 480 by x minus 8 minus 480 divided by x is equal to 3 hours. So cross multiply, 480 into x minus 480 into x minus 8 equal divided by x into x minus 8 is equal to 3, is equal to 3. So 480 will get common here, 480 x minus x plus 8 divided by x into x minus 8 equal to 3. So get cancel, 48 480 into 18, 480 into 18 is equal to x square minus 8x and 3, 24, and means 3 into 24, 3 8 24, no. So it will come like this, 3x square minus 24x is equal to how much will come to, well, 80, 1280 will come, no, it will come more than 1280. So how much will come, into 3, so it will come like this, 486, yeah, 1280, so into 3. So we common the 3 from these sides, x square minus 20, 3 8 24 and 28 is 1280. So x square minus 8x minus 1280 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. So he asking to show us in the form of quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation. So dear students, I am going to start CBSE classes also. So tell your friends, anybody with your CBSE friends is there. So to please watch these videos. So please subscribe to my channel, and I will bring you more and more videos for this, for next classes, and the other chapters also. So this is a 5.1, and the 5.2 also there, and 5.3 also there. I will bring this three chapters, these two chapters very soon. So CBSE classes also I am going to start from July onwards. So July first week I am going to start CBSE classes. So please share with your friends. Thank you for listening to class.